Greetings! Today, we're going to explore a few more features of QuickAds.ai for creating image ads. Let's start with the flow, and I'm selecting TBWA to keep the consistency from all our tutorials. I recommend you guys check out the full playlist for more insights and a better understanding. QuickAds is now fetching the details of the company, and here we go. Everything from the logo to the colors is all set. Let's proceed further. First up, we have multiple options to choose from. And the first step is selecting the language. As you can see, there are several language options available. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose German. Next, we'll select the ad size. Check this out. We have almost every size you could need for your campaigns. Let's proceed further. Now, we need to select the image for our ad, and here it is. I'm going with this one. Look at that. What a beautiful ad we've got. Here, you can see there are multiple template options to choose from, and I'll select this one to make a few tweaks. After making a few adjustments, the ad is all ready to go. Now let's download it. You can check out the options. This ad can be downloaded as an image, a GIF, or an MP4. That's it for today, guys. Be sure to explore all these features and let QuickAds.ai take your ads to the next level. See you in the next tutorial.